You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words and more confusing vocabulary many mispronounce in English, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more and become part of the community. 2 different ways of pronouncing it. See whether you pronounce it more a British English way or an American way. In British English it's said as legendary. Legendary, stress on the first syllable. In American English, however, it's normally pronounced as legendary. Legendary in American English, or legendary in British English. Just a slight difference in the third syllable, de or de. That's it. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. Thanks for watching, and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.